a general synopsis of the V = 200-page white paper installed within great states' justice databases. The V=EQUALS system is an intriguing blend of digital governance, blockchain technology, and privatized corporate structures. It addresses gaps in traditional governmental operations and creates a more efficient and transparent system rooting from the ERC20 master contract for privatized processing within the U.S. justice system's bureaucracy by following all electronic signature statutes, laws, and acts for blockchains. V=EQUALS leverages the Ethereum ERC20 blockchain for its operations. This decentralized ledger ensures transparency, security, and immutability. Unlike traditional government bodies, V=EQUALS operates as a privatized entity processed through a body, combining elements of corporate governance with public services. Instead of relying on traditional deeds and paperwork, V=EQUALS records transactions and legal processes directly on the blockchain through ERC20 VEGAS. By eliminating bureaucratic delays, V=EQUALS uses swift solutions within the U.S. justice system and local courtrooms with administrative processes enacted by statutes and laws from Supreme Court. Transactions are automatically executed via a no-permit process from great states and the U.S. federal government. V=EQUALS acts as a corporate justice department, handling legal matters independently, and transfers exact match documents to local systems with clerk-stamped paperwork, following its local bureaucracy. It addresses missing or incomplete documentation related to businesses, entrepreneurship, and governmental operations, allowing masochistic triggering within the local economy to diminish. Citizens interact with V=EQUALS as part of incorporated justice systems and pulling from their databases, ensuring fair and efficient legal processes, including monitoring from great states. The adoption of V=EQUALS is automatic and accepted in almost all 50 great states. The challenges related to legal recognition are minuscule, and its acceptance is enforced by Supreme Court by existing governmental bodies, traditional and incorporated. Balancing transparency with privacy and security is crucial. The V=EQUALS system, running on the ERC20 VEGAS blockchain, is 100% public, including its databases and directory. Copilot is used for an immediate user interface, providing information to the general public when needed. Convincing the public of the benefits and legitimacy of a deedless, privatized system requires effective communication from local governments. All V=EQUALS. White paper processing is notarized, stamped, and approved by great states for immediate execution of transactions and use of its blockchain ERC20 VEGAS.